Hello guys, this is Saad and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be telling you how to fix your mouse cursor disappeared in the Windows 11. I will not be using my mouse and I'll be using my keyboard to help you guys. So let's begin. First of all, you'll have to click on the Windows key and S together to open the search. Now you'll have to type in Device Manager over here and then click on Enter. After the device manager opens, you'll have to click on Tab key and then use the down arrow key to go to mice and other pointing devices. Now you'll have to click on the right arrow key to open these options. Now you'll have to use the down arrow key and then click on Enter. After this, you'll have to click on Tab again, and now you'll come on General. Now you'll have to click on the right arrow key and then click on Tab again. Use the down arrow key. You'll have to use the Tab key again until you come on Disable Device and then you'll have to click on Enter. You'll have to click on the left arrow key and then click on Enter. This should disable your device. Now you'll have to enable it again and see if your cursor is back. If this didn't work, then you can reinstall the driver for your mouse. You can just update driver first and see if it fixes the problem, and if you already have the latest drivers installed, then you can just use the tab key to close this and then use the tab key to close this also. You can click on enter, then you can go to driver over here on the top, and then you can go at the end over here, uninstall device, click on enter and then click on uninstall using the enter key. Now you can click on the tab key again. As you can see, your mouse has been uninstalled now. So now you'll have to click on the alt key and then you'll see the blue color is on file. Now you'll have to click on the right key and then go to action and then click on enter. Now you'll have to click on the down arrow key and then you'll have to click on scan for hardware changes. Click on enter now. This should automatically install your driver. But the most important step for now is to restart your computer. Now you'll have to click on Alt F4, close this, Alt F4 again, and now you'll see the restart sign over here. You can select restart from here or shut down and then click on enter. After restarting, your laptop or PC should be fixed and your mouse should be working now. Hope this video would have helped you. For more similar videos you can subscribe to our channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, peace out.